Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sketchbook Selection. And today date is 24 February 2022. And today our topic name is SCP. Firstly, we'll discuss with the string. The string is a sequence of character or a group of character. It's called as a string. The string is present in a java.lang package. There are implementing three interfaces: resizable, comparable, and char sequence. The string is object which are stored in a string in heap memory. The string is a non-primitive data type. It can't be used in primitive data type. The string is a final class. We can't extend or inherit it in a string. Let us discuss with the string constant pool. The string constant pool is a part of a string. The string constant pool is called as SCP. The string constant pool is a part of the heap memory. The string literal are stored in a string are stored in a string constant pool. The string constant pool is immutable. There are no change in string. It will be constant. The string constant, the object reference are stored to the another string. The string constant pool is nothing but part of the heap memory. They are creating the string are creating two ways. First is a string literal, and another one is using new keyword. The string literal are stored. The string literal are stored in a string in a SCP. For example, the string str is equal to double quotes Rushi. They are stored in string in a SCP. We create a two string. First string the string str1 is equal to Rushi, and another string the string str1 is equal to double quotes Rushi. Let's see out the string str1 is equal to str2. Then consolidates the true value because because which are stored in address nodes. It will be a true. The string in Java, the string is a most important topic. There are a number of concepts related in a string, but string pooling concept is one of them. The string pooling concept in Java is in Java. So in this discuss with the string pool. What is a string pool? The string pool is nothing but a storage area in a heap where string literal store. It also known as a string internal pool or a string constant pool. It is just like object allocation, but default it is empty and privately maintained by a Java string class. Whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some scope in a heap memory. Creating a number of strings may increase the cost of memory, to which may reduce the performance also. The JVM performs some steps during the initialization of string literals that increase the performance and decrease the memory load. To decrease the number of string objects are created in a JVM. The string class keeps the pool of string. When we create a string literal, the JVM first check the literal in string pool. If the string is already present in a string pool, it returns the reference to the pooled instance. If the literal is not present in the pool, when a new string object takes place in a string, This is a discussion about the string constant 4. Thank you.